Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Mr. LIEMPO was founded in Cebu in 2009 by Cesar and Grace Suwan. It quickly grew due to its unique blend of spices and recipes for Lechon LIEMPO, grilled pork belly, and Lechon manok, roasted chicken. Known for its tagline, "Deliciously delicious," the brand has carved a niche in the local food industry. Since opening its franchise opportunities in 2010, the company has expanded to over 300 branches nationwide. These include mall kiosks, standalone stores, and community outlets. The brand also prioritizes quality, consistency, and affordability, making it a competitive choice for entrepreneurs. For the product menu, the brand focus is on high-quality and flavorful Filipino favorites. Lechon LIEMPO, a signature dish featuring tender and crispy pork belly marinated with proprietary spices. Lechon manok, roasted chicken cooked to perfection on a rotisserie. Both dishes are cooked fresh daily and use charcoal or electric rotisserie methods to enhance flavor. For the franchise package and fees, franchising is only allowed outside Cebu, such as Metro Manila, Luzon, and other parts of Visayas. They don't anymore accept franchising within the province of Cebu. For Metro Manila franchise packages, with renovation, the franchise package fee is worth 350,000 pesos. It includes complete site renovation for interior and exterior, installation of grills, signages, and equipment. Number 2. Without renovation, the franchise package fee is worth 250,000 pesos, suitable for existing spaces already equipped with infrastructure. Additional cost for standalone store fee, 60,000 pesos for locations requiring standalone setups. For rotisserie unit, 50,000 pesos for electric or gas grill units. For the franchise term, the duration is 5 years, renewable for 200,000 pesos. No royalty fees. Advertising fee is 1.5% of total product cost, covering national and local marketing initiatives. For the franchise package inclusions, franchisees benefit from a comprehensive package that ensures a smooth business launch. Here are the key inclusions. Branding and marketing. Number 1. Use of Mr. LIEMPO trademark, name, and logo. Number 2. Feasibility study and site approval. Number 3. Store design and construction assistance. Number 4. Business management operations and customer service training. Number 5. Franchise operations manual. Number 6. Employees handbook. Number 7. Opening assistance. Number 8. Research and development and monitoring. And number 9. Franchise setup. For the equipment and supplies, number 1. A stainless steel grill unit with accessories for cooking chicken and liempo. Number 2. 8 cubic feet brand new freezer for storage. Number 3. Chicken and liempo products worth 10,000 to 12,000 pesos. Number 4. 2 gallons of sauce and 2 sacks of charcoal. Number 5. Cleaning and kitchen tools, including knives, cutting boards, and preparation tables. Number 6. 6 pieces uniform in brand colors red, yellow, and green. Number 7. Supplies worth of 1,800 pesos. Number 8. 200 pieces of sandbag with logo. Number 9. 100 pieces of foil for chicken with logo. Number 10. 100 pieces foil for liempo with logo. Number 11. Custom tarpaulins for pole signage, store design, and promotional materials. Number 12. Flyers and 15 pieces poster-sized tarpaulin for local advertising campaigns. For the training and operational support, number 1. Pre-opening support, feasibility studies, site approval, and staff recruitment. Number 2. Training. comprehensive business management, customer service, and operations training. Number 3, access to the franchise operations manual and employee handbook. Number 4, monitoring and assistance post-launch to ensure compliance with company standards. The benefits of franchising Mr. Liempo. Number 1, established brand. Over a decade of proven success with significant national recognition. Number 2, no royalty fees. Ensures franchisees retain more profit while contributing only a minimal advertising fee. Number 3, complete setup support. A turnkey franchise with pre-opening assistance and ongoing monitoring. Number 4, product demand. Filipinos' love for grilled meat ensures consistent market demand. Number 5, low investment cost. Affordable entry-level packages compared to other food franchises. For the application process, follow these steps to apply. Number 1, submit requirements. A letter of intent expressing your interest, a detailed vicinity map of your proposed location, a fully accomplished franchise application form available upon request. Number 2, evaluation. The franchisor will conduct a site assessment and feasibility study to evaluate the proposed location. Number 3, approval and agreement. Once approved, sign the franchise agreement and pay the necessary fees. Number 4, training and setup. Attend mandatory training sessions and allow for the setup of your store. Number 5, grand opening. Receive opening assistance from Mr. Liempo's operations team. For the contact information. For inquiries, reach out through the following address: Cebu Office, San Miguel Road, Bangbang, Cordova, Cebu, with the telephone number 032-239-6214. For the Cavite office, the address is Lot 5, Block 14, Phase 1, Sterling Technopark, Maguyam Silang, Cavite. You may call them on their telephone number 0468-487-0806. You can also call them at their franchising hotline at 0923-735-1513, 0906-248-7852. You can send them an email at franchise@mrliempo.com. You can also visit their website at www.mrliempo.com. For the frequently asked question. Question number 1, are there exclusive territories? Answer, yes. Mr. Liempo may grant exclusivity depending on the location and franchise agreement. Question number 2, is training mandatory? Answer, yes. Training ensures franchisees align with Mr. Liempo's operational standards. Number 3, what is the ROI timeline? Answer, ROI depends on the location and customer traffic. Many franchisees recover cost within 6 to 18 months. If you're ready to invest, Mr. Liempo offers a robust and affordable opportunity to become part of a thriving Filipino food brand. For more details, visit their official website. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.